Hi, this is John from Final Cut Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about copying and pasting attributes. And this can save you really a lot of time in certain situations. Let me show you why. Here I have a random timeline, and then let's say, for instance, that I've done a cut here, and this is just a really simple cut, but this could be 100 clips long. I did a cut here, and suddenly the client at the last minute, he says, John, I want a background on this whole cut. I want all the pictures to be small, and I want them to be rotated and moved. Or let's say he wants everything to have an effect on it. Let's say he wants a noise effect on it. So suddenly it's got noise on it, and maybe we'll make it a lot of noise. And maybe he wants the audio levels dropped down on everything to a certain level. So I've dropped the audio level down. So a lot of different things that he wants suddenly on the whole cut that I now did on one clip. So of course I wouldn't want to do that with every clip. It would take a long time. So that's a good situation to copy and paste attributes. So if I click this clip on that has all those things in it, and I do a copy command, which is Command C, or you can go to the copy menu under Edit, and then I can click all these clips that I want to do that to. So let's say I do the whole timeline, and I can say Edit Paste Attributes. And when I do that, the attribute window comes up, and it's asking me, what do I want to paste from the clip that I copied to the new clips? And it has a list of all the things that I have in that clip. So here it has the effect that I put in the clip. It has the position I made for the clip, the rotation, the scale. It has the volume change. So I can click on and off the things I do want and the things I don't want. So say I don't want this effect to be added to the clips that I'm pasting to. So I would take that off. I'm going to leave it on for now. Or I don't want the volume change to be pasted onto those clips. So I'll take that off. So you can take anything on and off that you want. If I hit paste, and I'll get to stretch to fit in a minute. If I hit paste, it pastes everything that I told it to into these clips. So now I don't have to go into every clip and do that. Everything is exactly the same. So now I want to remove all those attributes from those clips. So here I can just highlight the whole timeline again and go Edit, Remove Attributes. It's asking me which attributes I want to remove. So I don't have to remove everything. I could just take off a check mark and say I'll keep the position, but I want to take everything else off. Or I'll keep the volume on and take everything else off. So it's your choice what you want to remove from the clip. So if I say remove, then everything goes back to normal the way it was with no attributes in it. Also, if I do a move on a clip, like let's say that I do a zoom in on this. So here I'm going to keyframe something really quick. So I start there and I'll do just a simple zoom, and I'll end there. So that's what this is going to do. It's going to do that zoom. Now, I can copy this clip. So I'll go copy. And let's say I want to paste that zoom to this clip. I can do that with the paste attributes. So if I go Edit, Paste Attributes, okay, here it has the transform that I did on it. And that's the zoom right there. Now, important thing to know is maintain or stretch to fit. Okay, so stretch to fit, what it's going to do, it's going to take the keyframes that I made here and it's going to proportionally size them to fit here. So basically what I mean is that if I paste that in here, and we can see the keyframes if I open up the video animation tool. So what it did here, it took these two keyframes and it proportionally spaced them out so that it's the same amount of area in the clip proportionally. Okay, so that's what that does. Now if you did it another way, I'm going to undo that. And I pasted in that again, and I chose the different option. So this time I say maintain, okay? And what that's going to do, it's going to maintain the exact timing of this keyframe move and keep it the same here. It's not going to look at the clip length at all. It's just going to make it exactly the way it is here. So if I hit paste, you can see now that these keyframes are exactly the same amount apart as these keyframes. So I hope that helps you understand a little bit about copying and pasting attributes and removing attributes. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like or subscribe if you like, and see you next time. Thank you.